Hi, in this video, I will show you how to apply the same monitoring rules to all your company computers, both in the office and in the home office. So if you have a mix of office employees, remote workers, and home office staff, this video is for you. Maybe you already have some control over the PCs inside your office, but you're not sure how to handle people working from home with company laptops or remote devices. You don't want one set of rules for the office and a complete different situation for home office. You want one clear setup, same tools, same monitoring rules, same level of transparency, no matter where the employee is sitting. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use Wolfeye Remote Screen software to monitor office PCs and home office PCs in the same way. Wolfeye.co is where you can download, set the language to English, where you can download the software. I will show everything to you in this short video. Um, I'll show you how each computer, whether it is in the home office or in home or at the office, simply appears as another device in a dashboard where you will see all the live screens for each of the employees' computer as you are seeing here in the screenshots. And you'll see how you can watch live screens, check activity, and review history for both the office and remote workers from one central place from your dashboard of Wolfeye Remote Screen. And I'll talk about why having the same technical setup for all company PCs makes it easier to manage policies, onboarding, and new staff. So, of course, please, disclaimer here at this point, always make sure to follow the laws in your country for your use case in your situation and to inform your employees where it is required. This video is not legal advice, it is just purely technical tutorial, not legal advice. So um, if you would like to use it yourself, you can here book a demo session with me. But first, I will show you how it works. Well, it works like this. Uh, If you want to see the lives to monitor all your employees, either they are at home office or at the office, you need to install a small piece of software called Wolfeye. And after you, it's a small piece of software, I will show it in a second. After you install it, so I begin to show you how it works at the end, so to speak, and come to the beginning where we install it on one computer. So a small piece of software. I will show you in this video how to install it, but you install it on each of the employees' computers, on your company's computers, yeah. And after you install it, you get a dashboard like this. A dashboard like this. This is the demo dashboard. That's why the password to the dashboard is displayed here, 12345, so that you could also come here to this website. This is the dashboard, and you enter the password, log into your personal dashboard, and the dashboard opens for your account, and you will see for each of the computer, in this case 5 computers have been installed with Wolfeye Remote Screen. You see the live computer screen of each of the computers where you have installed Wolfeye. So this is the demo dashboard, and that is the reason why you here see dummy pictures, so to speak. Dummy picture for computer demo 1, for computer demo 2, and so forth and so on, for computer demo 5. Yeah. But in reality, you will see the live screen, and live screen means it will be a screenshot updated every 3 seconds. Every 2 to 3 seconds, the screenshot it is a screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds. That's how it works. Yeah. That way, you will always see what the activity, the live activity on each of the employees' computer is, independent on where they are sitting, if they are at the office or if they are at home office. It doesn't matter. You will see the live screen for each of the computers. You can change the columns here to 2 columns, so you see bigger screens. So you can choose 3 columns. You see more screens, and you could even right mouse click on this one of these links where it says live. That way you could take a closer look on that particular screen. So again, this is a dummy picture because it's the demo version. But in reality, you will see a live screen, and live screen again means a screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds, as you see here. Yeah, that's how it works. Also, this is optional. This is optional. You could enable screenshot history. It is standard. The standard is turned off. But if you wanted to also record screenshots, like every 5 minutes a screenshot is saved, or every 10 minutes, you could enter the history dashboard by right mouse click on one of these computer where it says history, right mouse click it, open in a new tab, and would see the screenshot history for that particular computer. So again, this is only a demo dashboard. That's why I see these dummy pictures. In reality, to see that it is most of the clients don't want that. Don't want that. So yeah, maybe in a second I will show you how to install it. Maybe one technical information. If you go down to features here, you go to the features, all features, live screen, screenshot history, a dashboard for multiple screens, as I showed to you. Uh, uh, of course, stealth mode. The user will not notice anything about any surveillance. I will show it to you also. But this is what I want to show you, the transparency, how Wolfeye handles the screenshots. It is like this. So the software makes every 3 seconds a current screenshot of the monitored computer and sends it to the server so it can be shown on that dashboard. Um, but it only sends one screenshot, and the previous screenshot is always overridden by the new one. So no data is saved but that screenshot. That's the first thing. Yeah. Um, so there will be no history feature enabled. Um, uh, um, so we we do not store these screenshots. Yeah, we do not store it, except you could enable screenshot history. That depends on your use case. If you by yourself want to enable it, yeah, so by default, no history is active. If you enable it, a screenshot is additionally stored in a separate history area. About every 5 minutes, you select the interval and is kept there until you delete it, or until you clean up the history. That's how it works. So the security here, the transmission of the screenshot is protected via HTTPS. Okay. And the live screenshot and the history area on the server can be or are protected with password. HT access is the password protection mechanism. So inform yourself how HT access works. That's the password protection. That's the, so to speak, how we transfer the screenshot. That's the situation. We do not save any data because the new screenshots replaces the old. So we don't store these screenshots. We do not store them. Yeah. um, so that's how it works. Okay. Now you ask, I want to install it. You want to try it. You can try it. You can try it within a trial period here. Come to our website, wolfeye.co, okay, and click on 14 days free trial. You click there and can book a demo session. In this demo session, I will give you, if you book the demo session, I will send you the download link. But also we talk about, I do a quick demo because Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will send you the link to my dashboard. You will log into my dashboard and we'll see exactly how it works. Because you will see, you don't need to install anything. If you don't want to, you will see my live screen. That's the first thing. The second, I already told you, I will send you the download link of Wolfeye so you can install it on your computers, on all your computers, or one or two as you like. And I can guide you through the installation if you want it, either with AnyDesk, so I do the installation for you, or with a Google Meet session here, Google Meet, where I do not the installation for you, but you do it and I guide you because you share your screen, I see your screen and can guide you. Now do this, now do that. But the installation process is very, very, very fast. And I will show it to you here on my computer how the software is installed. So I will send you to your WhatsApp, so to speak, I will send you the download link of Wolfeye, and you go to you download it, go to your download folder, and this is the file that you download. Basically, it is this file. It's a zip file. You must extract it, and after you extract it, you double click the installation wizard for Wolfeye, the setup file. You double click it, and then hit the install button. Install it. It is installed, and then you hit finish, and it launches Wolfeye. It launches, and this is the control window of Wolfeye, so to speak, for that computer that you want to install. And the next thing you must do is you hit two buttons. The first button is the share screen button. You hit it, it turns red. It means already sharing the screen for that particular computer, and this is the screen. And the next one is the stealth mode button. You hit it and it goes into stealth mode. The software hides itself in the background, goes into stealth mode. The user will notice nothing about any surveillance, but it is running in background, sharing the screen. Every time the computer is restarted, the software runs in the background, restarts in the background, and executes itself. It monitors that particular computer, and basically that's it. So I hope you liked the video, like this small demonstration. I hope to get a Google Meet booking from you. Yeah, please select the date and the time. Yeah, because we're probably in different time zones. I'm here in Frankfurt in Germany, and you may be in other parts of the world, maybe in South America, in Mexico, in Ecuador, or wherever you are. And so this will make sure, if you choose for your country the time, select here the time zone that you're in. This will make sure that we're both in the correct time zone, and we can schedule this Google Meet demo session. See you in the next video.